beauty day down here. What's going on, guys? How's it going? Mark Freeman 408. So we got a special toy today. We're just down at Mitchell Cycle in Mitchell. We have the 2020 Zero SRF. This is an early release and apparently it is wild. 0 to 100 in just over 2 seconds. I don't even know the specs on this. There's way too many, but we're gonna take her out for a test drive today. And yeah, look at this thing. Can't even believe it. Links to your phone, shows your trips, cruise control, traction control that adjusts to your speed and angle of your riding if you're leaning. I haven't ridden a bike like this in a long time. I'll show you a little more details in here. This thing, oh, I love this color too. Look at this. I'm excited to take this thing for a rip. Apparently Drake tried to buy this bike, but not yet. Not yet. They're just starting to ship now. So, anyways, let's take her for a little spin and see what we got. See what we got on the screen. Can we watch movies on there yet? I don't even want to know how fast this thing goes. All right, let's go. Oh my god, I think this might be my new favorite toy. Wow, wow, that's all I can say. Wow. Oh, sorry my helmet's still dirty, I just watched it the other day and wasn't really planning on doing this today, but I was in Mitchell, so I figured let's go for a spin. So I think I need to borrow this for a week or two. I'm just doing a quick test drive today. This thing, oh, words can't describe how amazing this thing. If you're in Mitchell or around Mitchell, you gotta swing by and take this thing for a test drive because it is absolutely awesome. Oh, so the range is about 150, 60 highway, and then it's 350 in town, which is usually opposite because usually in town you're burning more fuel, but this is electric, it's not gas, so that's how it works. I guess you're going slow in town, so oh, I was a little afraid to floor it right off the start. I'm not gonna say how fast I was going, but it got up there pretty quick. 0 to 100 in like fast, very fast, around 2 seconds. So apparently it has no problem beating a Lamborghini. So I didn't take it up to top speed yet. I don't really have the right helmet for it. I should have a motorcycle helmet, but that's just my dirt bike one I had on hand. So yeah, let's continue on here and see what else we can do. I love this screen. And this is cruise control right here. It's amazing. So I was switching the GoPro on the fly. I probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah, well. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This thing, base price I believe is around 26, 27. Don't quote me on that. And that's Canadian dollars too. So yeah, it's pretty wild. A lot of technology into this. I was drifting back and forth and cruise control and the traction control was working out great. So let's continue on, see what we can do. Nothing but good things to say about this bike. This thing is freaking awesome. And no, they don't. Zero doesn't sponsor me or anything. I just wanted to test out the electric motorcycle and see the technology. I've only really ridden the dirt bike style, the MX style Zero dirt bike. So this thing is amazing. So let's do the carry on here and head back, and maybe in a few weeks I'll be able to borrow this thing for a week and do a few more videos. But for now, let's carry on. She is sleek. Look at this thing. Take it all in. Take the corn in too. Oh man, I want one of these. Zero, if you're watching, I'm your guy. Love this. So good. All right, carry on. And we're back. Got her on the charging station here. We got the old Sun Country. I remember that was a long time ago when we did those videos, but yeah, check out Mitchell's cycle. This thing is a machine. Oh my God, weapon. Let's jump one of these. What do you guys think? This thing, oh, I can't believe it. That's definitely wild. You guys got to come test it out. Or if there's a Zero dealer in your area, definitely go test them out. Or if you're in Mitchell or around Mitchell, swing by Mitchell Cycle and come check this thing out. I can't wait to do some more videos with it. It's pretty incredible. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, we will have some more videos coming up. We got, what are we doing? We're picking up another truck, another F-250. And we still got the other one. I think I might get rid of it tomorrow or the next day. It's got no tires, no box. It's been jumped. The thing's just beat. But it's Ford and she lasted. She still started up after. So maybe we'll do one more video where we blow up the engine. We'll see if there's time. What else are we doing? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we should do a video with the electric Enduro over there too. Bring that down the track, rip her around. So anyways, thank you guys again. Check out the other videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it. I want one of these things now for sure. So I'll do one more little loop around for you guys. Oh, this thing. Too much fun. It's so quiet too. It's always weird getting used to the quietness of a golf cart. Every little detail they put into this thing. Zero's definitely come a long way too. Feel free to check them out. But anyways, yeah. Thank you guys again. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fantastic day and we'll see you later. Bye.